Man nimmt das Messer mit der stumpfen Seite, schaut, wo man hinschießen will und durchziehen. 1, 2, 3. Ich habe ein bisschen Angst. Und
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is about how can you do the sabrage or the sabering of a bottle, and to do it more interesting and more entertainment, I have a beautiful guest, an actress in my studio. Elisabeth, hello.
hallo, freut mich da zu sein.
Have you ever done it before, this sabrage?
Na, ich habe noch nie eine Flasche geköpft. Also, ich bin ein bisschen aufgeregt.
Did you see someone else do it?
Ja, ich habe schon gesehen, also ich weiß nicht, ich war in einem Club und da ist das gemacht worden und das ist schon sehr effektvoll, aber ich kann mir gar nicht vorstellen, dass das so jeder machen kann. Also ich bin da jetzt gespannt, das zu lernen.
Did you see somebody else doing it and had problems, like the bottles break from other points or it didn't work?
Ja, habe ich auch schon gesehen.
Okay, today you will learn how to do it, like to have 100% success all the time.
Okay.
Okay, first thing first, you have to check if especially the neck of the bottle is cold, like ice cold, tiefgekühlt.
Ja, es
Looks
ist
like.
kalt, ja. Huhu.
Then it is a seam line on the bottle. It's like a welding line.
Ah ja, man spürt das mit dem
Yeah,
Finger.
please.
Ja,
Please.
sehe ich. Man
Yeah,
sieht's
you
auch.
see it?
Ja.
You see it? Wait a second. I will just take a short. Okay, so you see it? Just move your finger. Oh, this is nice. Great duty shot. Okay, then you need a knife or a blade or something. You have to use the non-sharp part of the blade.
Okay, also das nicht scharfe Ende, das
Nicht
hätte ich mir nicht
sharp end,
gedacht.
you will not
Okay.
cut the bottle. You just have to smash it here where that line, the seam line, is meeting the lips. So
Okay.
first, put the blade horizontal on the bottle. Just keep it here for the people to watch easily. So the
Okay.
blade is horizontally. Then you have to tilt it a little bit.
So?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you have to think in which direction. I want to save my camera. Yeah. So you have to do. You don't have to press too much. You don't have to move your hand very quickly, but you have to do the long shot. You don't have to stop here. You have to
Okay, das
go
heißt-
all the way.
Okay.
Okay. So
Soll ich jetzt schon?
yes.
Haha.
Relax.
Okay, einfach durchziehen.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Okay. Und. Es funktioniert.
It's funktioniert, and because it was cold,
Oh,
we did a
wow.
spell. And just give me the bottle 1 second. I want to feel this. This part of the neck is very sharp.
Wow.
It's a real danger. Don't hold the bottle from
Okay.
here.
Aber das war
So,
viel einfacher, als ich gedacht habe.
einfach.
Ja.
It was easier than
Yeah.
she thought. Okay, now English speakers had understand everything from our video. Now I will give you another bottle,
Aha.
and I will ask you to do it once again. But you will be on your own. You just have to do the
Okay.
rules and everything else. And yes, there's the bottle. Look for the seam line.
Also, zuerst schaut man, ob die Flasche kalt ist. Sie ist kalt, eiskalt. Dann muss man diese Flaschennaht finden, die seht da. Man nimmt das Messer mit der,
Flasche nehmen.
ja, die Flaschennaht. Man nimmt das Messer mit der stumpfen Seite, schaut, wo man hinschießen will und durchziehen. 1, 2, 3. Ich habe ein bisschen Angst. Und und so einfach ist das.
Yes.
Wow. Und
This was-
dann darauf achten, dass man da nicht ankommt, weil das ist wirklich scharf.
Yeah, and you have to just check. If you're buying not just for you can just fill the glasses. Give me. Oh, let me do it.
Ja,
Yes.
nehmen wir den
with the-
Jahrgangschampagner,
yeah, yes, with the
Jahrgangssekt.
premium. the premium one first. And yes, now I will have a speed. The image will be defined by a little speed. Oh man, we did a great thing. So,
zum Wohl.
cheers. Thank you very much for helping me. If you like her, write us in the comment. And she's busy, she's an actress, but I think we will manage somehow to have her again in our studio. Thanks for watching. Subscribe also.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Danke.
Gerne. I thank you.
Ein guter
I told you.
Sekt.
I told you, this is, the champagne will be not bad, but this one is the best. And
Na, wirklich, wirklich gut.
another tip for the real Genießer of champagne, drink it from this kind of wine glasses.
Ja, ich habe
Not
die
for the air. You have to
Just
stick your nose inside to enjoy everything. Yeah? And the sparkling glass, it looks very sexy. But
cool, danke.
I thank you very much. Thank you.
War echt spannend. Cool.
We have everything.